pagdating po, Happy Fiesta! Tuloy po kayo!
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. O diba, nice kayang suot pero ingon ana siya maglingkod. Hi, Mati. In today's video, let me share to you how we celebrated Buwan ng Wika 2024. Let's begin with the preparation stage. Syempre, ibida na to atong flowers. Kay ako ba yaning vlog? Charot! Here's some of the parents who helped. O diba, nangalot na si Madam sa iyang ulo kay dugay kayo me. After how many hours na puro maragyod. And here's our final output. Actually, this is a table skirting contest. Let me show you our foods. Of course, the chon. Now let me show you some activities in and outside of the classroom. Let's welcome the judges. Here is Mati with the boys. Hello there, girls. Hello to these pretty ladies from the other section. Now let's take this opportunity to appreciate Ma Mermi's hidden talent. Ug naapagay showdown sa mga girlalush. Oh, pack boom!
At para sa third prize ay mula sa ikalimang baybay.
Oh, nakadaog me sa Best in Food Preparation. Oh, nagtinukmuray na sila.
Okay, nasa na grade 5? By the count of 5. 5, 4,
3, ayan na, partner, hindi magpapahuli yan.
Hey, alam mo ba, partner?
Ano, partner?
Ang daming pera sa loob, hindi lang 100, kundi
Wow!
1,000,000.
Oh,
Yes.
What? Ako. Picture. 1, 2, 3, smile! And to our surprise, wala pa sila kanaog, but na-award na sa me og Best in Skirting. We really did not expect this. Thank you so much to everyone who helped. And there, naapil ko sa picture.
I'm so happy. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for watching.